Hello. Shortly, I want to explain the answers of these solutions. So the first thing is this question. It says that every person contributes twice the number of members. So if we think that there are n members, it means there are each of them contribute 2n rupee. So the total amount is n times 2n, which is 2n square. So 2n square is 3042. So what we need to do is, let me get light, okay. So what we need to do is just factorize this one. So if you add the numbers 1 plus 5, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So this is a multiple of 9. Here we divided this by 9, we get 169. It means 9 is square of 3, 169 is square of 13. So when we factorize 3 square, 13 square, inside square, outside square root, it equals 3 times 13, which is 39. So this is the first question we ask. The second question is about this one here. These two are reduced. That's why this triangle is isosceles. So A and B are equal. To find AB, 180 minus 30 over 2. So we get 75 each, 75, 75. Another thing is OC is reduced and AB is tangent. So they are perpendicular. So this angle is 90 degrees. So if B is 75, this angle is 90 minus 75, 25. And we know that sum of 2 inside equals 1 exterior, outside angle. So C plus 25 is A. A is 75, so C comes 50. And in this question, if we draw a straight line or a diagonal of the rectangle, we see that this is a radius, and radius is 3 plus 2, so which is 5. Also, we have a right angle triangle here. So 3 square plus x square equals 5 square. So x comes 4. So the area of this rectangle is 3 times 4, which is 12. Area of sector is a quarter circle. So it means area circle divided by 4, pi r squared divided by 4, 25 pi over 4. So the shaded part is sector minus rectangle, which is 25 pi over 4 minus 12. And the next one is this question here. If you consider x squared plus x equals -1, and if we factorize this as x cubed first, x cubed, so x squared plus x plus 1. So x squared plus x is -1, so this is -1. So here it comes negative x cubed plus 1. So in addition, we can switch their places. So this is 1 minus x cubed. 1 and 1 cube are same. So this is 1 cube minus x cube. If you factorize, this is the answer. And since this is 0, this comes 0. So here there is extension of a cube minus b cube. And in this question, since this is a rectangle, AB is parallel to DC. So if you write here x, 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 so total is 3x. So here this is 3x. We have two sets of similar triangles. One of them is this one. So here we have kind of like butterfly shape, and another one is this one. So if you consider the small one, the ratio is 1 to 3. So we can write the red one, B to 3B. And when you consider the orange one, this one, so the ratio is 2 to 3. So it means this is 2A and this is 3A. So as you see, there are two different types of labeling. One is 5A, another is 4B, but both of them are DB. So if 5A is equals to 4B, we can take A as 4K, B as 5K. So if A is 4K, 5 times 4K, 20K, 4 times 5K, 20K. So it means A is 4K, B is 5K. So in according to this, dx is 5k, so b is 5k, and dy is 2a, a is 4k, 2a is 8k. It means xy is 3k. So here this is 3k. And db is, as you see, 5a or 4b. So if you use ab values, it will come 20k. When you take the ratio, it will be 3/20. And next one here, as you see, this diagonal divides rectangle into two equal parts. So if this is a, this is a area. So the total area is 10 times 5, 50. So a is 25. So half is 25, 25. Another thing is, if you look at carefully, so this, the point B doesn't matter. You can move any point. A plus B is half of the full square. So if we know what is the area of square, so we can find what is A plus B. But area square is AC times CA, CE. But these are equal, both of them. So we can say that AC square. We can easily calculate what's AC square, 10 square plus 5 square. So from here, AC square is 125, which is area of square at the same time. So area square is 125. So half of area of square is half of 125, which is 62.5. So A plus B is 62.5. And we know that A is 25 already. So B comes 37.5. In this question, let's say 124 is A, 421 is B. So if you divide this big number by this, or if you observe carefully, this is 1001A and this is 1001B. And if 1000 cancels, this comes A over B. Same thing for this one. This is 10,001A, 10,001B. And if you simplify again, you will get A over B. So it means they are all equal. No one is smallest. Here, this is an easy one. If 3 apple is 15, 1 apple is 5. If 1 apple is 5, 1 peach is 20. And if 1 apple is 5, it means 2 banana is 6, which is 1 banana is 3. And here, P plus P, 1 banana plus, peach plus banana minus apple times banana. So first times 3 times 5, 15, 20 plus 3, 23. So if you subtract, you will get 8. Next one. Okay, we didn't solve this question yet. So we are going to solve this later. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.